Apollo 12. Apollo 12 was the second manned mission to land on the moon, and it was the Apollo program's fourth overall mission. The mission was launched on November 14, 1969. Pete Conrad commanded the mission, and his crew included Alan Bean and Richard Gordon. One of the main goals of the Apollo 12 mission was to land on the moon in a specific location known as the Ocean of Storms. This area had been selected because it was believed to be rich in valuable scientific information, and the mission's planners wanted to gather as much data as possible. After a successful launch and a 3-day journey to the moon, Conrad and Bean landed the lunar module called the Intrepid on the moon's surface on November 19, 1969. The landing was particularly challenging as the spacecraft had to navigate through a field of rocky craters and avoid a number of other obstacles. However, the crew was able to successfully land and begin their exploration of the moon. Over the course of the next 3 days, Conrad and Bean conducted a number of scientific experiments and collected samples of moon rocks and soil. They deployed a number of instruments, including a seismometer, and conducted a solar wind experiment, all to collect data about the moon's surface and environment. One of the most memorable moments of the Apollo 12 mission came when Conrad and Bean discovered a Surveyor spacecraft that had landed on the moon several years earlier. They were able to retrieve parts of the spacecraft and bring them back to Earth for further study, providing valuable information about the moon's surface and conditions. Overall, the Apollo 12 mission was a major success, and it helped further advance our knowledge of the moon and its environment. The mission's crew returned to Earth on November 24, 1969, and were hailed as heroes for their bravery and determination.